TRex arms, what are they and why do you need them? Well, I'm going to show you that right now. First things first, when you lift your Bronco, you're going to put bigger wheels and tires on, and those big tires are going to make contact with your radius arm. You can see as you turn the wheel, it makes contact with this radius arm here that connects from the axle to the frame. We're going to eliminate that by using this James Duff arm called the TRex arm. As you can see, it's got an offset in the arm to allow for more clearance for bigger tires. The other reason you would decide to go with these is because they actually ride better. They have a really nice geometry which takes the bind out of the suspension, so when you're driving down the road you don't feel all the bumps as bad. Let me talk about a few safety reasons why this is important to consider. As you can see, these arms, a lot of these now are over 50 years old, and on the end here, this is all deteriorated by rust. This gets thinner and thinner over time and eventually can bend or break. Another reason why you want to consider new arms is because the threads on the end actually over time start to deteriorate from taking the bolt on and off several times. Anytime you replace your bushings or just do a lift in general, these are going to come off. So those, as you can see, the threads here are pretty wasted, and you don't want to be having your whole front end held on by two wasted threads. Now remember, TRex arms work great from 0 to 6 inches of lift. However, if you're going to go over 4 inches, you really need to consider drop brackets to get the correct amount of caster, or you might want to just consider going straight to long arms. You know, not everyone needs that. It's not, not a 100% requirement to put a lift on. Well, long arms require welding, and of course you got to cut the stock brackets off. This is where the TRex arm shines. It actually is a bolt-on arm, and it doesn't take the stock brackets off. But if you want to learn more, check out the install video, click the link, and thanks for subscribing. We'll catch you guys next time.